Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 6 and question number 7 from exercise 1.3 of class 10. So in these questions we are going to find out the square root by Vedic method. So we'll start from question number 6. First step is to make the pair from the units place. We'll make the pair of two digit numbers. So we'll obtain 3 pairs. We'll make 3 sections, first section, second section and third section. We'll start to enter from the second section. In second section, you just enter the first pair, that is 16, and remaining all the digits just write down in third section by creating the gap. So we'll obtain like this. Now here, whatever be the first pair you wrote in second section, that is 16, we have to think a number whose square is 16 or just less than 16. So that will give us the number 4. It is 4 4s are 16. So 4 write down 3 place. Right, at 3 places, first place, second place and third place. Add them, 4 plus 4 is 8. So this 8 is your divisor for next all divided in third section. So we'll start the steps. First step to divide this 16 by 4. So we'll get here 4. So 4 here and remainder is 0. So dividend is 0, 9, 9. And you know that after dotted line, whatever is the first dividend, we not have to improve it. So 9 directly divide by 8. So we'll get here 1. So quotient 1 and remainder also 1. So quotient 1 and remainder is 1. So dividend is 17. And before 17 we have here 1. After dotted line we have only 1. So to improve it we have to do dvandva of 1. That is 17. Then improved dividend is 17 minus d of 1. So 17 minus 1 dvandva is 1 square. That is 116. So 16 we have to divide by 8. So we'll get here 2. So quotient is 2, remainder is 0. So here quotient is 2, remainder is 0. So dividend is 0, 9. Now before this column and after the dotted line we have 2 digits, that is 1 and 2, 12. So to improve it we have to subtract d of 12 from 0, 4. That is the step is 4. Then here dividend is 4. Then dvandva of 12. So since it's a 2 digit pair, that's why 2 multiplied by 1 into 2. So when we have the digits in pair, extra 2 we have to write down and then product of the digits. So 2 into 1 into 2, that is 4 minus 4 is 0. So 0 divided by 8 is 0. So quotient is 0 and remainder is 0. So again we got here 0, 4. Now before this column and after the dotted line we have 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3. So this 120. So to improve this 0, 4, that is 4, we have to subtract dvandva of 120. So we will make the pair from extremes. So 1 and 2 are in the pair. So since it is in the pair, so 2 multiplied by 1 into 0 and this 2 is alone. So alone number dvandva is square, that is 2 square. So any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So 2 square is 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Now 0 divided by 8 is 0. So we obtained here quotient 0. So how many pairs we have? 1, 2, 3. Since we have 3 pairs, so from front 3 digits, that is 4, 1, 2 is our answer. That's why square root of this number is 412. Now we move to question number 7. In question number 7, again make the pair from units place. So we'll get from units place make the pair of two numbers. You will get 3 pairs. Now draw the 3 sections. In second section enter the first pair and remaining all the pair digits just enter in the third section by creating the gap. Now here the first pair is 1. So 1 we have to think a number whose square is either 1 or less than 1. That will give you the number 1 because 1 square is 1. So 1 just write down at 3 place, 1, 2 and 3. Add them, 1 plus 1 is 2. So this 2 is the divisor for next all the division process. So here we got 2. Now we'll start the step. First we'll start to divide this 1. So this 1 will divide by 1. So 1 1 ja 1. So quotient is 1 and remainder is 0. So dividend is 0 to 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Remainder is 0. Now next step, dividend is 0 to, because it's the second dividend, so we have to improve it to improve it, before this column we have 1 and after dotted line we have only 1. So to improve it, 6 minus d of 1. So 6 minus d of 1, so it's alone. So 1 square is 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 divided by 2 is 2 2 ja 4. So we got here 1. So quotient is 2, write down here because we divided this 6. So write this 2 here and this 1 here because it is the next digit. So it's 1 5 15. So this 15 we have to improve. To improve this 15 before this column and after this column, how many digits we have? 12. So 15 minus dvandva of 12. That's why divided is 12 and improved divided is 15 minus du of 12. So it's a pair. So to find out dvandva, 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2 means this 2 is of because of dvandva and these two are the digits of this pair. So you will get here 4. So 15 minus 4 is 11. This 11 we have to multiply by 2. So you will get 2 5s are 10. That is 1. So this 5 we'll write here quotient and remainder is 1. So 16 is our dividend. So before this column and after the dotted line we have 1 2 5. So 16 minus d of 1 to 5. So we'll get here 16 minus d of 1 to 5. So make the pair from extreme. So when we make the pair from extreme, we will find 1 and 5 came in the pair and this 2 is alone. Since they came in the pair, 1 and 5 came in the pair. So 2 multiplied by 1 into 5 and this 2 is alone. That's why 2 square. So when you multiply, you will get 10 plus 4, 14. 16 minus 14 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 1 ja 2, we will get 0. So 1 is quotient, remainder is 0. So write here 1 and remainder is 0. So you have 0, 2 is the dividend and to improve it before this column. So before this column, initially what you had here? 1. So 1, 2, 5, 1. So you have to do d of 1 to 5, 1 from this. So you will get like this. 2 minus d of 1 to 5 1. So from extreme make the pair. So these two are in one pair and 2 and 5 in the another pair. So 2, this 2 as it is, then minus first pair is this 1 and 1 is the pair. So 2 multiplied by 1 into 1 and then 2 multiplied by 2 into 5. This 2 and this 2 is the extra because of dvandva and these are the digits of the pair. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20, that is 22. We got negative number. Since if you get the negative number means you have to reduce it. So just write down, we have to reduce the quotient in previous step. So in previous step, what is the quotient here? 1. So this 1 you have to reduce. So just come to the table. So this 1 we have to reduce. So cut it and write here 0. Means now again you have to do the division from this step. From this step you have to do again with this 2, again you have to divide by 2, but don't take 1 here. Now you have to take here 0 because we reduced it. So it's going to be like this, 2 zeros are 0, that is 2. So now this time the quotient is 0, remainder is 2. So write in the table again here, quotient is 0 and remainder, initial remainder just cut and write here 2. So now what is the dividend here? 22. So after writing 22, 22 is your dividend. Now to get the improved dividend, again we have to find out d of 1 2 5 0. So it's going to be, means in this fourth step, first we find the dividend, improved dividend, which got negative, then we reduced, and now again just find out the dividend and improved dividend. If it get positive, it's okay, unless we have to reduce again. So we'll make the pair from extreme. So 1 and 0 in the pair and 2 and 5 in the another pair. So find out like this. So subtract it, we got positive. So 2 divided by 2 is, since it got positive, so division process. Unless again we have to move back. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 1 is quotient, remainder is 0. So in the table write here, because we had done this column, so write here 1 and remainder is 0. So 0 5. 0 5 is your dividend, and to find out the improved dividend we have to do the D of this complete. That is, what is the digit now? 1, 2, 5, and here it is reduced 0, and here we not reduced, here still 1 is there. So 1, 2, 5, 0, 1. That's why just see here 1, 2, 5, 0, 1. But after finding the D of this, we'll found that it got negative, so we'll reduce in the table. Here instead of 1 we'll write 0. So to first understand how to find out D of this, from extreme just make the pair. So these two are in pair, 2 and 0 are in pair, and 5 is alone. So whoever are in pair, multiply them by 2, and 5 is alone, so 5 square. So that will give you again a negative number, so you have to reduce this step. So here you took 1, so instead of it you have to take 0. So 2 zeros are 0 and 0, and remaining quotient is 2. So now dividend is here. Just see the table first. Means 1 we reduced 0, and in this remainder 0 we got remainder now 2. So it's 25. So 25, now new dividend is 25. Then you have to do D of 1, 2, 5, 0, 0. So 25 minus D of this. So that will give you in next step. Here 25 minus D of this. So that will give you just make the pair from extremes. It will give you again 25. So 25 minus 25 is 0. So 0 divided by 2 is 0. So you just see the table. Here we brought 0. Now this is our quotient. Now how many pair we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 pair. That's why from front take 4 number, that is 1, 1, 2, 5. So the square root of this final answer, yeah, this one. So here the final answer is square root of this is 1125. Hence the question number 6 and 7 completed. Thank you.